even before attempting IELTS, I was advised that you have to, you have to prepare yourself to write a lot of complex compound sentences if you want to score 7+. But when I came over here, I was surprised, how I was taught.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Gurpartap with me, and it's the second time we are having the video, Gurpartap. The first one was 2 years back, and at that time you cleared your PTE in the very first go, and now you've got 777 in IELTS as well. A perfect 9 in reading, 8 in listening, 7 in writing, 7.5 in speaking. Congratulations, you are now planning to migrate to Canada. Very first thing I would like to ask you, a lot of students out there, they have done PTE, NAATI, they want to go for IELTS, but they think the exam is very difficult. What do you think, how difficult is the exam?
If you're prepared well, and the main thing, if you're stress-free during and after the exam, or even before the exam, and if you're prepared well, I think you will ace it in the first attempt. In writing, just do as the experts, your trainer has guided you, and moreover, and when you're giving the speaking, just try to be as confident as you can be, and don't be nervous. Just speak in your flow, like you do in your mother tongue. So I think that's the main thing that you have to follow.
So you have to make sure you're very, very calm, confident, and composed at that particular time. Correct. How long do I need to prepare if I have to get this score? How long did you prepare for?
I prepared for 3 to 4 weeks, to be honest. And here, you don't have to prepare too long as compared to PT. In PT, you have to practice a lot. Over here, it's your general English that matters. If you're prepared well, if you know how to write a good essay, how to write an error-free essay with very few or close to no grammar mistakes, I think you will ace IELTS.
So around a month we can say.
Yes.
So around a month of practice and making sure you have the right feedback and evaluation of your writing and speaking task can get you your desired score in IELTS as well. Writing is one section a lot of students are scared about, right? I ask them, go for IELTS, they'll be like, listening is fine, reading, speaking is fine, but writing, we can't get 7. What is your opinion? What do you think is important for writing?
In writing, you have to be prepare a bit more as compared to PTE. The examiner who's checking you, obviously, he expects it to be written in a certain manner. And what I would suggest you, take a few lessons over here, just apply the same lessons that the trainers tell you, and just try to write in a very general sense. Try to give 1 or 2 personal examples in writing, and just make sure there's no error, there's no spelling mistake, and there's no grammatical error. So most likely you will get 7+ in there.
That's right. So basically, it's not about writing a very informational essay, but it's more about having no mistakes, right? Whatever you're writing should be error-free. And one thing which a lot of students are confused about, complex sentences, complex compound sentences, they think that they have to write a lot of complex compound sentences, right? What is your take? How many complex sentences or compound sentences you had in your exam?
That's a very good question. Actually, even before attempting IELTS, I was advised that you have to, you have to prepare yourself to write a lot of complex compound sentences if you want to score 7+. But when I came over here, I was surprised, how I was taught to write 1 or 2 complex sentences as long as your essay is related to the topic. If we are following the task that was given in the question, and the main thing the examiner checks is task achievement, and there should be no error, as I mentioned before. And complex, personally speaking, in my exam I wrote 1 complex sentence and 1 complex compound. That's it. Nothing more than that.
It's more about answering the essay prompt properly.
Yes.
Right? Satisfying the requirements of the task, satisfying the criteria which the examiner is going to look for.
Yes.
And if you do so, do not overcomplicate things, you will be fine, you can get your desired score. Gurpartap, any final piece of advice for students out there preparing for IELTS? What are the do's and what are the don'ts?
Just prepare well, just follow the steps that you provided in your IELTS training. And apart from that, on the day of the exam, just don't be nervous, just be calm, be yourself, and just go stress-free. You will ace the exam.
That's the key to success in any exam,
Yeah,
right?
correct.
You have to make sure that you are stress-free, guys. You are prepared. How you'll be stress-free if you're prepared? If you're not prepared, you go just attempt the exam, you'll have a lot of pressure, right?
Yes.
So make sure you're well prepared. You take a number of mock tests like he did. Get yourself used to the exam environment. Get your speaking and writing evaluated. See what mistakes you're making. Improve on the same, and then go and sit for the exam and get points towards your Canadian migration in the very first go like he is. All the very best. I hope you get that very soon.
Sure.
All the best. That's it from this video, guys. Make sure you keep on practicing, do not give up, and have the right direction and guidance. Thanks, guys.